Welcome back, class. We are continuing our lesson on elementary subtraction, now using the comparison model, okay? Now, the comparison model is cool because it helps visual learners understand it better, okay? So what we're going to do first, and our problem is 9 minus 6. Really simple, really easy, but this is just to show how awesome of a method this is for visual learners, okay? Now, what we're going to do is pick out shapes to represent numbers, alright? Now, for the 9, I'm just going to use a triangle, for example, okay? We're going to start it over here. Alright, make it really small. Okay, so there's 1, 2. We're going to put 9 of these because that is the number that we are working on with the triangle, okay? So, triangle, and then 3. Oh, it went big again, silly thing. What's it doing? Alright. There's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Alright, now we have the 9 triangles, and what we're going to do now is pick a shape for the small number right here, the 6. Alright, what shape should that be? I think it should be stars again, because who doesn't like stars, am I right? And we're going to make 6 of these because that is the number we are representing. Okay, oh look, it went big again. This stupid thing. Alright, so there's our first star, and we're going to make 6 of these, right? Because we are representing the number 6. There's 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Alright, so we have 6 all written down, right? Alright, now, the next step to this is we are going to cross out the corresponding shapes. Now, what that means is we are going to put a big old red line across the shape. We're going to go one at a time. Okay, so we're going to cross out one triangle and then one star to show that is a 1-to-1 ratio that we are getting rid of. So one triangle, one star, one triangle, one star, and we are going to continue this process until the little number is all gone, okay? So we're going to keep doing this, and here's the 6th triangle and the 6th star, and look, we are out of stars to cross out. So, what are we going to do now? We are going to count the remaining triangles that are left, and that is the answer to 9 minus 3. So let's count them up. Alright, ready? 1, 2, 3. Alright, and then look at what the highest number is, the last one that we counted, 3. So the answer to 9 minus 6 is 3, with 3 triangles left over in the comparison model. Thank you very much.